welcome back to Flora's Way. Today we have Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This tablet sponsored from Vcom, electronics online shop with the best selection and the best service. All services are specially tailored to customer needs, whether notebook, tablet PC, smartphone, monitor, and you can find at vcom.gr. You can buy Samsung Tab S6 Lite at the price of €369. You can find the link direct to Vcom at the description below. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a new addition to Samsung tablet lineup. As its name suggests, this is a less expensive version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. With its narrow bezel and large impressive screen, the Tab S6 Lite not only brings you a bigger picture, but nails that modern, minimalistic design. Get it in Oxford Grey, Chiffon Pink and Angora Blue. With an included S Pen, it's easier than ever to write notes and personalize photos and videos, all without needing a charge. Best of all, it attaches magnetically right to your tablet, so it's always ready to go. S Pen is a bundle of writing instruments in one. Its natural grip, low latency and impressive pressure sensitivity will make it your go-to from everything from drawing to editing documents. Plus it won't get lost thanks to a built-in magnetic holder. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with a 10.14-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is powered by a 1.7 GHz octa-core processor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite runs Android 10 and is powered by a 1714 mAh non-removable battery. A long-lasting battery lets you stream for up to 13 hours on a single charge. The fast-charging USB-C port allows you to quickly get back to where you left off when you need to recharge. Interact with the world through the 8-megapixel rear camera equipped with autofocus for recording, capturing and sharing. Video chat with friends and family on the 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The Tab S6 Lite features a single camera setup at the back along with antenna bands and Samsung logo and AKG branding. The bottom of the tablet gets the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer and the speaker. The tablet comes with a dual speaker setup tuned by AKG and the second speaker is placed at the top of the tablet beside the microphone. Samsung has smartly placed the speaker so that it does not get covered while holding the tablet in landscape mode. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite runs One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card up to 1000 GB. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite measures 244.50 and 154.30 when 7 mm height wide thickness and weighs only 1467 grams. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite include Wi-Fi and GPS. Sensors on the tablet include accelerometer, gyroscope and proximity sensor. So, if you are looking for an alternative device for your daily recreational dose of entertainment, browsing, watching movie or playing some games, then Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a good option to go with. Also, if you are a college student and takes lots of notes, the addition of S Pen makes a strong case here as well. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!